Ryan.
I guess it must be Boulevard Tower, right? Child, I'm lost. No, I'm like looking over here because it says Boulevard Tower. Hold on, let me see something. Oh yeah, yeah. It says Boulevard. Okay, 1 through 38. Let's just hit a thing. So the only thing he said is the floor is a kind of a low floor, so that means the view may not be all that great. But he said the room is bigger, so we'll see. After you, sir, with our luggage.
What floor?
15. Let's see if we're wowed by our room and if we
Well,
have
it's
a
a
good floor.
suite.
Look at how,
It's a suite.
but the other one was too. Look at how high it goes. It goes all the way up to 38. We're on a 15. So we may be staring at the building. Oh, what room is it?
1581.
All right, let's see. Oh, it's over there, babe. Oh, okay.
Right.
Okay. Oh, look at the gym, y'all. Daily access fee $30. Wow, so that means if you use your key to go in there, you gotta pay. Oh no, access included in nightly resort fee. Yeah, we can just confirm, but it looks like it's included. Look, they got bottles of water in there.
Swipe my thing and be like, I'm right here. I'm gonna jump through. No excuses, man.
1581. Right here. We don't have a doorbell. Let's see what it is. first impression. Oh, we need lights. Wow. Oh my goodness. I'm impressed. Even if you don't have a view. Y'all, look at this. Jay, look, there's a table on this side, so your desk with the chair. We got a whole living room. Don't even try it. Look, there's a whole bench for getting dressed. Look at the mirror. Look at the closets. Look at the mirror on both sides. So it's a pocket door bathroom. Oh, that's what he meant by Japanese tub. He said it's a Japanese tub. Look, babe. Hold on, let me take off my shoes.
Oh,
You see how I know. Hold on, guys. All right, here we go. Look at the closets. All right, let's just start with the closets. All right, there's a luggage rack. There's a whole ironing board for Jay. He get excited when there's ironing boards. We have robes. There's the iron. There's the safe. All right, now I'm back in here, right? So you have the double sinks, the well-lit mirrors. This is the watering closet. Even this is nice and spacious, so you don't feel like you're in a little broom of a closet. Oh, look at how that's like a face. And then, let me take off my shoes. So this is the Japanese tub. So what this means is that it's in the shower. You see how this is the shower right here? Okay. And then look. Oh, I thought that was like hot, but it's not. And then you have the tub right here. And then look, you can see the bed right there. Mm-hmm. But look, they have a shade if you want to pull the shade down. All right, so the view is what he said is a little suspect because it's on such a low floor. So let's go over here. And then this is our bedroom area. Nice. And then it has the pocket doors as well. So you can close them off and not disturb if anybody's out there. And then look, you can have a whole show. Somebody wants to get naked and have a show. And then look, this is our view. Maybe open the door.
It would have been nice if that thing.
Oh, we got a whole balcony. Look at this.
We got to hear about where the show is at.
Look at that. Oh yeah. So
this is a hot view.
oh, this is like what do you mean the show?
Well, they do the movie, right?
No.
The
No, that's up there. That's not right here. But this looks like a whole nother, like what's like, look at this elevator and stuff, and this like a whole nother lounge area. Oh, I know what you mean.
Yeah, remember the pool?
Oh, is that the pool? He's saying because Cosmo has a movie thing where they do movies and it'll be on one of these.
That's where we're gonna stay at that Aria house.
Yeah, we have to look that
We
up.
got a Christmas
Look
tree.
at this. We got a Christmas tree. So the view's not bad. But he was just saying like obviously a higher floor you would have a bigger view. But this is dope, babe. And we said that in the line. Don't play with me about what if they upgrade us. And you're like, yeah, all these people. Because it was like, first of all, we getting here late. It's all these people. Babe, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I just want you to know that if your butt is booty naked in here, you can be seen. We have to close these blinds. No, I'm closing these blinds because that is the whole shower and bath area. And then look, people walking by or whatever, they can see our arses. I like this. Jay's like, he wish we were staying here the whole time, but we're not.
Hopefully mine's is good.
Yeah, we got another room after this, hopefully. And we gotta go make sure we get our gold status and they can upgrade us again. That would be dope, right? Oh wow, y'all. So we have MGM gold, even though it's not reflected, but we told him we did because we should. And so therefore that's why he upgraded our room for free. Complimentary. So freaking dope. I love these gold fixtures. I'm sorry. And then look, we can put it on relax and see. Like it just automatically dims the lights. The lights are dim. Let me hit bedroom and see what happens. It turns off the lights in other areas except for like in there, but it turned it off in the bathroom.
Shut off the bathroom.
Yeah, I was hitting these things.
Turn back all the lights.
There we go. Okay, so we got off on the 4th floor. Just to kind of see. Oh, so they have the ice. Oh, so it's open. And those are the cabanas that are outside of our room. Oh, this is cute and stuff. I don't think he bought the thing. Oh, so that is the movie screen, y'all. And we can see it from our... I know, right?
George, Sam wants to speak to you.
Hi, Sam. Wow, George Bailey-Offsky. Hey, a fine man you are.
That's the skating rink.
Oh, what do you mean? Nobody's trying to steal anybody's